Smart Navi 3.0 technology provides you customized options to satisfy your cleaning needs. You can choose the mode that works best for you in the visual map to clean the area you wanted. By setting virtual boundaries to block areas, you can choose the areas you don't want disturbed. With Area Mode, your robot will automatically divide your home into several areas, allowing you to prioritize where you would like it to clean. Clean your home any way you wish with Custom Mode. Designate the exact area you want cleaned on the map, and your robot only clean there. Now you can enjoy the next generation of intelligent cleaning.